So actually, we have been living in Indonesia since 2014. In this 8 year, during this 8 years, we encounter too many different people. For example, first of all, when I entered in Bogor, but the people in Bogor was really, they behave really badly. For example, twice they threw me in the garbage, in the garbage, and several times they asked me the money and anything.
Okay.
For example, when I was in Bogor and after 8 o'clock, or the weather become dark, and we couldn't go outside. For example, if we go outside, someone comes directly and asks us about the money, about the cigarette, about anything that we had. And really, I can't say I hate people here, but they were not polite with us. But then, after 1 year, we left Bogor and we went to Manado City. Really, for 1 year, I have been living in Manado City. The people were really kind, really polite, and during 1 year, we don't encounter any problem. But after that, we came to Makassar. We came to Makassar, but in Makassar, the local people were really friendly. They were really kind and nice. But the police and the immigration, some of the IOM staff, really, they don't behave with us friendly. They always ignore me, ignore us. They always insult us. They always just us. That's all.
I see.
But I really appreciate. I really happy from Indonesia.
Okay.
But just the first thing I told you when I was in Bogor,
I see.
I experienced many difficulties there.
Okay.
But from Indonesia, especially from Makassar and Manado city people, I am really experienced, and also I have a good memories with them, and I'm happy with them. But I don't know, are you working for some organization or anything else? And if you can assist us and raise our voice for the foreign people that pay attention on us and resettle us to their country, because right now someone said that you are safe in here, but of course we are safe in here, but how about your family? Our family's life is in danger. That's all. Thank you.